Good afternoon, children. Welcome back to the SST class. In last class, we have studied about the lesson number 4, air around us. So, about the air. Air is all around us. Yes, all living things need air to breathe. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. This atmosphere prevents the earth from getting very hot or cold, hence, air supports life on earth. Right? So, about the air is the mixture of gases on the earth. Just now, Rajveer asked from where it comes, from where air comes, right? So, air is, our earth is surrounded by the layer called atmosphere. Air is the mixture of gases on the earth. A thick blanket of air surrounding the earth's surface is called as atmosphere. And the moving air is called wind. These are the figures that moves with the help of wind. See, I have put two picture over there which moves with the help of wind. You are able to see this page which I have shared?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, what is air? Now tell me what is air? Anyone? Air means what? Because this topic we have learned already. Anyone can tell what is air? Tell me what is air?
Air is the mixture of gases.
Air is
Mixture of gases.
air is the mixture of gases. Air
Air
is
Air
yes.
is transparent. Air is transparent.
Yes, listen. Air is the Earth's
Air is
atmosphere.
transparent.
Air is the Earth's atmosphere. Air around us is a mixture of many gases and dust particles. It is the clear gas in which living things live and breathe. It has an indefinite shape and volume. It has no color or smell. As I said already, air has no color or smell. It has mass and weight. It is a matter. As it has mass and weight, air creates atmospheric pressure. There is no air in the vacuum of the cosmos. You can see the picture which shows the movement of air. Next is movement of air. So which example I had given in the last class for this movement of air?
The umbrella.
Yes, right. Blowing or moving of air is called wind. The speed of wind may vary from 5 to 10 kilometer per head, that is gentle bridge, or 700 to 800 kilometer per hour. The speed and direction of wind is affected by the following factors. The speed and the direction of wind, location on the earth, rotation of the earth, local condition, height from the ground. Where we are staying means the ground which we are staying is, it consider the height of the ocean level. कितना हम ऊपर है, कितना हम वो ओशियन लेवल के बराबर है, उस पे भी ये जो विंड का स्पीड है वो डिपेंड करता है. कोस्टल एरियाज में क्या होता है? द विंड स्पीड इज वेरी हाई नियर द कोस्टल एरियाज, राइट. ओशियन लेवल पे रहता है तो वहाँ विंड का स्पीड बहुत ही हाई रहता है. Properties of air. This we have already learned in the last class. Properties of air is, we cannot see or smell or taste air. Air can only. Who is that disturbing in between? Rajveer? What's the problem, Rajveer? Properties of air. We cannot see, smell, or taste air. We can only feel it. Air takes up space and gives shape to the thing. Yes, air has weight, air moves thing, air exerts pressure. These all we have learned in the last class. And here, see the properties of air once again. Air is an example of matter. Air is a mixture of gases consisting of approximately 4 by 5 nitrogen and 1 by 5 oxygen. Like all matter, air has weight and takes up space. It can also be compressed, unlike solids and liquids. These three properties will be studied in this investigation. That we have done some activities to this. Air has weight. Which activity we have done for this to prove air has weight? Which activity we have done? Yes, balloons activity we have done to show the air has weight. It takes up space. It takes up space. See, for this, one more activity, we have done one activity that I blow the balloon, right? And it took the space inside the balloon. Up the upside down cup, you can try this also. Take one vessel, then fill half with water. Okay, you just dip one glass straight into that water. वाटर उस ग्लास के अंदर नहीं जा सकता है बिकॉज ऑफ द एयर ऑलरेडी प्रेजेंट इन दैट ग्लास. You just bend that glass little. जैसे ही आप थोड़ा ग्लास बेंड करोगे तो आपको एक साउंड आएगा, जैसे वो ऑक्सीजन या एयर उस ग्लास में जो था वो बाहर जाएगा और वाटर उस ग्लास के अंदर चला जाएगा. यू ट्राई दिस, द अपसाइड डाउन कप. ओके, एयर कैन बी कंप्रेस्ड. This is not for your level, air compression, so I have not taken this. Air takes up space. See, this activity we have done already, right? Air has weight. Air has weight. Matter has three forms, which are solid, liquid and gas. Air is a mixture of gases, so it will have weight. We can demonstrate that air has weight by comparing a full balloon with an empty balloon. I hope you all have understood this. Yes, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Can you see this? Air contains oxygen.
Yes, we can see.
Yes, we have done this, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me now, what you have learned by this activity?
Ma'am, that is air. Ma'am, that air is everywhere. All living things need air to survive.
Yes. My question is, what you learned in this particular activity? Please answer. In last class, I did this activity, right?
Air is everywhere. This activity.
Air is everywhere. Okay, that is true. Air is everywhere. Listen, air is everywhere, right? What you have learned through this
In the
activity?
first picture, oxygen is there.
Where?
And second picture is carbon dioxide.
How you see here? How you say that in first picture there is oxygen?
Because flame is on.
Flame is
On.
yes.
Candle
यहाँ
goes to oxygen.
यहाँ अभी भी कैंडल जल रहा है, इसका मतलब still oxygen is present inside the glass. Inside that glass. That's why the flame is still on. And in another picture, you can see there is no flame. That means oxygen level is not there. So फ्लेम के लिए भी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, फायर के लिए भी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए, राइट?
Yes, ma'am.
यस, ये एक्टिविटी से ये पता चलता है कि फायर के लिए भी ऑक्सीजन चाहिए. इफ देर इज नो ऑक्सीजन देर विल नो फायर. सी, composition of air. What is air made of? Open your page number 23. We'll start from here in today's class. Page number 23. What is air made of? The air around the earth is a mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Air means that is not only the oxygen, also it is a mixture of other gases like nitrogen and carbon dioxide. Not only nitrogen and carbon dioxide, there are 1% of other gases like water vapor, dust particles, and some other gases. Okay, in next picture I will show you what are the gases are there. Don't think air means it is just oxygen. Air means it is the mixture of gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, and other gases and dust particles. Okay. Nitrogen forms about 78% of Earth's atmosphere. Oxygen forms about 21% of it. All living creatures need oxygen to breathe. Remaining 1% of the air is made up of carbon dioxide, other gases, water vapors, dust particles, etc. Carbon dioxide helps plant to make food. Plants take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. In last class, Siddharth had asked me this question. Do you remember Siddharth? Siddharth Donnewadi is there? You are able to hear my voice,
No,
children?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. See, now see this picture, composition of air. These substances which made up of air can be now individually identified. The composition of the air is shown below. The picture is not clear. In next slide, I will show you the proper picture. Air contains mainly oxygen, nitrogen, and remaining includes carbon dioxide, noble gases, water vapor, dust particle, and traces of other gases. You should know that air means it is not only the oxygen, also it contains many other gases like nitrogen, carbon dioxide, noble gases, water vapors, dust particles, and traces of other gases. Okay? Don't tell that air is only oxygen. Understood? See here, air is a mixture of gases. Composition of air. See, there is 78% of nitrogen and only 21% of oxygen, whereas oxygen is very essential or very important to breathe. But still, it is only 21%, right? And nitrogen level is 78%. Carbon dioxide is only 0.04% and other percentage of water vapor, dust and smoke. These all things makes air. Understood? Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, and now nitrogen. You can see here that 78% of nitrogen is present in air. But we breathe with the help of
Oxygen.
oxygen. Then why this nitrogen is 78% and what is the use of nitrogen? Let me answer. Nitrogen is important to the chemical industry. It is used to make fertilizers, nitric acid, nylon dyes and explosives. To make these products, nitrogen must first be reacted with hydrogen and produce ammonia. Actually, this is not there in your textbook, but still, for your knowledge, I am telling why nitrogen is present in the air and what is the use of nitrogen. Okay, don't worry, I will not put this question anywhere in your exam. This is only for your knowledge purpose. Okay, nowhere mentioned why nitrogen is important, like no questions are there. आपको क्वेश्चन रेज हो रहा है because in last class also many of them they were asked about nitrogen, carbon dioxide, right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, that's why I'm telling.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I know this is little high for your level. आपके लेवल के लिए ये थोड़ा हाई है. Only for your knowledge purpose I am explaining. Okay. Yes, nitrogen is not stable as a part of a crystal lattice, so it is not incorporated into the solid earth. This is one reason nitrogen is so enriched in the atmosphere related to oxygen. Please mute children. Who is that? Again, Rajveer. Last warning, Rajveer. See, nitrogen is so vital because it is a major component of chlorophyll, the compound by which plants use sunlight energy to produce sugar from water and carbon dioxide. Okay, why it is nitrogen is important? See, this is so vital because it is a major component of chlorophyll, the compound by which plants use sunlight energy to produce sugar from water and carbon dioxide. Where plants prepare their own food, that is called photosynthesis. It may come in science, photosynthesis and all. There you will understand why nitrogen, carbon dioxide, these are gases important in our atmosphere. Okay? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes. I hope you all understood. इन डिटेल में नाइट्रोजन के बारे में इस लेसन में कुछ भी नहीं दिए हैं. दिस लेसन इज based on only the air which is there in our atmosphere and what is air made up of and other thing like properties of air. Understood? When I put this picture composition of air here, clearly you can see the percentage of nitrogen. The question may arise in your mind that why nitrogen level is so high in air. That's why I explained. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next is breathing fresh air. Breathing fresh air. Breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. Air is cleanest in the early morning hours. It is good to take regular walks during this time. If you want to breathe clean and fresh air which keeps us healthy, please go for morning walks. Okay? Regularly. See, nowadays we all are wearing masks all the time. How we are feeling? We are feeling so suffocated, right? We are unable to take breathe properly. Because of that, we are facing headache problem. Why? Inside the mask, we are not able to take a breathe properly. So हम क्या करते हैं? खींच के सांस लेते हैं. For that, we are getting headache. You all are staying at home, so no problem. But see us, all the time we are outside and wearing mask all the day. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Yes, ma'am.
breathing clean and fresh air keeps us healthy. But वो अभी
Yes,
नहीं
ma'am.
हो रहा है. We can't breathe outside without mask. So, air is cleanest in the early morning hours. It is good to take regular walks during this time. Understood?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
The next
Yes,
is,
ma'am.
yes, just a minute. Next is a value tip: cover your mouth with a handkerchief when you find the air around you dirty. This will help you to keep the germs away. Remember this. And next is plants. Rajveer, Rajveer, shall I remove you from the meeting? Rajveer? Plants help keep air clean. Grow plants wherever you can. House plants can reduce indoor air pollution. Remember this, okay? These are the uses of plants. Plants help keep the air clean. Plants purifies the air. Grow plants wherever you can, and house plants, that is indoor plants, can reduce indoor air pollution. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. Do you have any doubt now?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. No, ma'am.